Luke.
Yeah, I know.
He's out there fishing.
What time is it right now?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, I think it's 1.
What do you got to say, Sydney? You gonna go in the water?
Yeah, no, not yet.
Not yet.
The water's
You know what? I always wear a hat when I go. I always wear a hat even when I'm out there boogie boarding. Because I don't like the sun. It keeps us from getting wrinkles. So what are there, sharks? You're out here getting sharks? No, I agree. I'm gonna get rid of my cell phone. I'll be right back.
Yeah, like that.
We're getting instructions here. All right, look at that. Go, go. That wave was over her head almost.
Oh, we got that on film. Whoops. Oh man, surfing! Surfing USA! Oh, what a baby dude, got her hair all wet.
They're getting a little more daring.
Jesus, join your church, both in spirit and in mind. Let her always bring you joy as you pure and faithful bride. Oh, Jesus, may you be Savior, Lord, and coming King.
They're coming. Tori, you gotta push off right when the wave gets to you. You gotta be moving when the wave gets to you.
Why when it gets to you?
What? Yeah. What do you have to say, Miss Bodyboarder?
Man, this is a...
The only thing I'm good for now, videotaping. History, making history.
Look at these guys, they are really getting brave.
Okay, if you don't get this one, that's it. No. There, you got it. Oh! I gotta be careful. I'm having so much fun out here. I might just forget and fall in the water. You were a little too early.
May God send angels guard the door. It's not a
Oh, shoot. There she goes. Almost. Go, go, go. Oh. Now, he was riding him earlier hot. Now he wants one. He can't get it. You were a tad late on that
I
one.
can't get it.
Oh.
When I was at Huntington, I was like going all the way to the shore.
You know what? Just not in rhythm today.
Yeah, that's it.
You were a tad late on that one. Man, you guys look like surfers. Talkative guy, bicycle rider, ended up being a person, spent an extra 30, 20 minutes.
Sheree, those waves are almost over her head. Got a congregation of people.
Oh, you're getting brave. That's your limit.
She definitely loves the water. She's only been to this.
Look at that. Oh.
Yeah, she's never even felt sand till today.
A whole bunch of little fish. Look like Chad. And how far have you ridden this bike? Very far?